Alright, let's go. All right. Okay, on player pickup. What about if it falls and it's infected? I'm gonna make it so the player can't pick up infected blocks, but I'm not sure what I do in the case where an infected block falls on the player. Do we just let him touch it? It'd be nice if we had like a health system and it hurt him while he held it, but I don't think we're gonna get to that point. I think rather what we do is we make it so if it fills up too high, then you get a game over. Right? Oh. See, because we're gonna be in touching infected blocks like that when they fall on us. Which maybe that's okay, and then if we get enough time, maybe we build in a health system. I think that would be a cool thing. I just don't know if we're gonna get there. We don't have a lot of days left. We've got like 3 more nights. Okay. Anyway, we can at least make it so... Yeah, we can at least make it so they can't pick it up. So on pickup signal, where do I actually make it change directions here? On player equals true. So you're getting the block, you say on player equals true. set that to follow, carry block equals true. So in here, if you're on player and it's a player, okay, right here. So what we want to do is in here, if not other parent infected. That should be pretty easy. I think that's it. Ding. And this way we shouldn't be able to pick up infected blocks now. See, I don't know why that why that's screwing up. The weirdest thing, guys, there's certain things where they don't. So we had 3 greens in a row and it didn't blow up. I'm trying to figure that out. Oh, 0. It's hard. It's hard to... It doesn't happen all the time, it just happens sometimes. It's very hard to catch it. Oh well. We'll work on that later. Right now I'm just gonna try to I'm just gonna test and see if I can pick up an infected block right now. Because we shouldn't be able to, but if one would fall. Yeah, I don't know how the infected. I have it set at like the same rate every game, but sometimes they just come. I don't know. There we go. There's an infected block. Okay, let's see if we can pick it up. Aha! We can't pick it up. Perfect. That's what we want. So yeah, these are unpickupable, so you have to move around them. Just makes the game a little harder, because you can't move these guys. So you gotta build around them. Alright, hold on one sec, I'm gonna text something real quick. One moment. He's Hercules, look at that big. Uh-oh. That's not good. There's another bug. See, there's all sorts of goodies in this game. Yeah, I'm not really sure, and they're infected, so I can't do anything about it. It's funny. Oh no. Yeah, see, this gets kind of hard. I think we're gonna have to make the level a lot shorter though, because it's gonna take a while to get like all the way to the top for a game over. It'd be nice if it was health based, so either you can die by it filling up, or you just get hurt like on infected blocks. I think that would be fun, but I don't think we're gonna get that far. But yeah, this gets kind of hard as it spreads. Kind of cool, kind of neat. But see, you could get good combos to bring it down. It's fun. Hey Dell, thanks for tuning in. Alright, so we've got that going for us. Let's wonder if there's a way to make the screen like flash red. There's probably like a shader I can use. In fact, let's see, what was that called? Canvas modulate, I think, is what we could do. You've got it here, you've got the color. Yeah, so you could flash it red. Basically do this. Should be neat. Wonder if I do an animation player, that would work. Not sure. Hey, Running Buck. Thank you guys so much for the follows and tuning in. I kind of want it to interpolate between those. Dell, thanks for the follow. Basically want it to do this when you're touching like the infected blocks. Let me see how I would do that. See if there's anything online. For canvas modulate. I'll show you what the game looks like though, while we're waiting. So it's basically like a puzzle game. This is what we have so far. And then your little dude, and you get to move the puzzles like that. I think the game's darker now because I was messing with the colors. And then you can't pick up these infected ones, and then they spread. Because the theme of the game jam is spreading, or it's spreading. So it just makes it harder. You can still get rid of them by matching 3 colors. You just can't pick them up. I would like to make it so you get hurt when you're on top of them. I think that would be kind of fun. But if you're like this, you'd kind of be screwed. So maybe we won't do that. But yeah, that's basically where the game's at right now. Yeah, see, we're dark right now. That's why that's being all weird. Okay. Let's see if ChatGPT gives me anything useful. Or if it's just garbage. In Godot, how would I animate the canvas modulate? node to flash a certain color. Dell's little level up gif keeps like changing colors and it makes me think something's being typed. Alright, let's see. Okay. Alright, so I think what we do is we do a an animation player. Yeah. So we make one of these. And then we make a new animation. We'll call it canvas flash. And then on the first keyframe, we will keyframe this. I don't want to reset track, I don't think. And then I wonder if it like interpolates between these two values or if it just switches straight to it. Guess we'll find out. And then on 1, we want red. We want it to look like this. So we set a keyframe there. Oh yeah, it does. I think it interpolates. Interpolates? What's the word I'm looking for? Game dev, go, go, go. That's right. Oh, these 2 weeks, man, it's almost 2 weeks. It's gone fast. It's hard to game dev this fast. Especially I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Hello? How do I make this longer? Yeah, it's perfect. Oh, this right here, the time. And then at 2 seconds, that's not a frame, that's a second. We'll return back to the original and set it there. So if we play it, it's like this. I think I want that faster though. I think I will want it like this. Make it 1 second. There we go. Let me just loop that guy. How do I make a loop? Animation looping. Yeah. I wish you could have too. I didn't even know you were watching Pirate Software. That's funny. I stumbled upon his channel when his shorts blew up like 3-4 weeks ago. And I was like, I gotta do the jam. Gotta try. Alright, so we've got that little modulate that we can flash. So in the script, we're gonna create a script for player playground. Create a script. And then what we do is We're gonna make an animation player just like that. And then the player, let's see, is that where this is at? Oh shoot, how am I gonna do that? Oh, you've been watching Thor for 4 years? What? Yeah, he's been streaming for quite a while. You didn't share the love. Okay, I think what I can do, because prevent falling is where I'm detecting whether I'm on something or not. So I think in there I can detect if I'm on something and I can check if it's infected. So we'll make a signal, call it flash screen. Yeah, signal flash screen. And then if we're in here, if other infected. First we have to check if it has the infected property. Is that a thing? Returns true if param our RID is valid resource owned by this text server. That's for a dictionary. How do you check if it has a variable? The game jam is essentially you have a limited time to make a game. So some of them are like a weekend. Some of them go over a month. This one's 2 weeks. And they usually announce like the theme right when it starts, so you can't really prepare for it. So they basically do a theme and be like, you have to make a game that meets this theme. And so, yeah, that's essentially it. So this one was 2 weeks, and the person that organized it was he's pretty popular game dev channel person on YouTube and Twitch. Has method. No. Has node. I think it's has a node. I think this is what we want. Because sometimes it might not be something that has this. So let's do it this way. If other has node infected and other infected. So if it's a block and it has that variable and it is infected, then we're going to flash screen emit. I think that's what I do for signals. Yeah, that's what I do. And then we need to make like a on flash screen signal. So here's our function. Oops. Funk. And then in ready, we've got to grab the player. I believe it's called player. In this scene, yep. So the player. Well, let's do it like this. I don't know if this is how you have to do it, but to be safe, let's do it this way. Yeah, we'll just do it like that. And so when we're ready, we'll take the player and then we'll connect. Player, flash, signal. Oh, flash screen. My bad. Flash screen. And then we pass it the function. And then we take the animation player and we play, what did we call it? Canvas flash. Canvas flash. All right. Let's try that. See if it works. Search C. Yeah, we broke something. Oh, I know what the problem is. The joys. I actually need the no, because this is the player. What was it complaining about? Don't remember. Oh, okay. This is game dev. This is what it is. Got a signal right there. What do you mean the player doesn't have a flash? Oh, player old. That's the wrong thing. You know what? That's why it's screwing us up. It's getting the wrong player. I'm just gonna delete player old. Maybe I can just set it as that, player old. And then in player, we don't want to be player 2. We'll just be player. We had an old way of doing the player that we kept around, and I think it's screwing us up. There we go. That might work. Nope, still broke it. It's not a function. It's a signal. Oh, dummy. Connect. I think that's... There we go. Seems to be not working. It's red. It's red right now. Oh, shoot, my infected block just... Why are we starting at red? I just want to see if it flashes when I jump on an infected block anyway. Now it's really hard to tell the oranges from the yellows. It's almost impossible. Come on, infected block, there you are. It's not even flashing. Great. Great. Okay. That didn't work. Let's see here. See, I want it to do that. So maybe, let's see what I gotta do here. Oh, is it because resets like this? Yeah, maybe for reset we just we change this to here. So we've got this, and then if we go to the reset, it'll be normal. Maybe that'll fix it, but it still didn't trigger when I wanted it to. Need to stand on the infected. Yeah, it's not triggering. Let's see if it's even emitting the signal. I'm gonna hush that for a minute. Let's see if it's even doing this. Emit. Oh. Alright, infected block. Come on. There's an infected block. Let's see if it throws. Yeah, it's not emitting at all. Okay. Doesn't seem to be working. Have to check my logic. Okay, so I've got it, so this prevents us from falling, so it detects when we overlap something beneath us. Oh, I know why. It's the parent, because that's the area 2D. Yeah, that's the area 2D, so we need the parent, which is the block object. I think that'll work this time. I believe. Man, I have a hard time telling the oranges from the yellows, but I am colorblind, so it probably wasn't a good choice. We could modulate the color if we wanted to. We could make it a darker orange. Still nothing. Still nothing. Dang it. Yeah, we're still not getting it. Make the game grayscale. The objective of this game is it is inspired by Wario Woods. So I don't know if you played that. It was on the NES and the Super Nintendo. But basically it's just a puzzle game, kind of like a Tetris-like game, where you're just connecting. Yeah, we've got a bug there. So you are, I don't know if you can, that's interesting. Anyway, you're making at least 3 in a row, and then when you do that, the blocks disappear, and then you're basically just getting a score. In Wario Woods, it was actually player versus player. And so in this, the spin that we put on it in this one is that there are infected blocks, and they spread if you don't take care of them, and then you can't pick them up, so they're kind of just blocks that are stuck in place, so you have to play around them. But anyway, we've got some issues going on. Let's see if we can fix it in 2 days. Champ 1 is freaking sweaty. I don't think I've gotten into Champ 1 before. I've only been Diamond 3 in Rocket League. Alright, why aren't we, I know this is being triggered. Maybe has node isn't the correct thing I'm looking for here. Yeah, that's checking for a node. It's not a node. It is a it's a variable right here. That is the problem. But I don't know if there's like a has variable. Maybe. It has node, has method. It's neither of those. Or is there a has variable? Doesn't look like. Is this a thing? I don't think that's a thing. Maybe it just has. Maybe you can do that. I bet that's what our thing. Nope. Yeah, has isn't a thing. Oh, okay. No, you do it sort of like I think you do this. If infected in this. I think that's how you do it. There we go. It likes that. I'm confident it's gonna work. I'm just gonna go full screen. Not look at the debug messages. It'll work. It'll work. Dang it. Ha 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 ha. Now we need it to end when I'm off the block. That's kind of cool though. Maybe I just have it like this when an infection spawns in. What do you guys think? Like if there's an infection block on the play at all, maybe it just flashes. Kind of like that. I mean, it kind of makes it hard to see, but it's kind of cool. And I don't have to go this dark red either. You could still play. I think I might make the orange darker though, because that is not dark enough. Let's see. The only issue with that, I like it, but then we have to check to see if there's not any infected blocks. And that makes us check the whole grid, which probably isn't very efficient. So maybe I don't want that. I really like that though. Because it's easy to check if there's one coming, because when we spawn we assign it as infected. So that's really easy. But can I just mess with the asset in here? I wonder. No, I'd have to change it in a software, which I could do. It's no big deal, but the deadline is Friday morning at 7 a.m. Mountain Time. So probably realistically Thursday night, because I'm not staying up all night. Screw that. Alright, I'm gonna change these real quick. I'm gonna make them darker. Not now. Not now, please. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I like when I think I like the idea where it just flashes when an infection is out. And then it'll go away when you delete all infected blocks. The only issue is I need to code a way to detect if there's no infected blocks. Which maybe wouldn't be that, it might not be too inefficient. Basically just going through a dictionary and checking. Just a loop. So that might not be too bad. I could try it. But then if it does it every frame, that's the problem. I don't know, it might be worth it. We could see if it impacts performance. Alright, sorry. I lost my train of thought. I apologize. Okay, here's our blocks. We are going to do a simple adjustment. And we're going to actually, I could probably just make it darker. That's more dark than before. It's a better orange, easier to tell from the yellow. This is like a yellow orange. So we've got, let's just make it 75 and 15 degrees. Yeah, 15 and 75%. Yeah, let's do a 10%. 15, 75, 10. We're gonna save that. 75, 15, 10. 75, 15, 10. That is not the same. Nah. Whoops. Was it negative 75? What was it? 15. Oh, 15, 75, negative 10. Not 75, 15. 15, 75, negative 10. Okay. Save that. And then the orange will do the same. 15, 75, -10. Save. Alright, there we go. That's darker. I like it. There we go. Now you can tell the difference. Even colorblind me can tell the difference between that. Yeah, I technically have it that you can pick up an infected block if it falls on your head. That's why in the case if we did like a health bar, it might be cool. Like you could touch them, but it would hurt you. Should be kind of neat. I feel like this is a little too dark. It doesn't fit the other colors very good, but eh. It's okay. Also, you can let me know if the music's too loud or whatever. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard for me to know. See, I should go for this one. See, those should have blown up, but there are some issues. There be bugs. There be bugs. See, in WarioWare you could like kick blocks, so you could like slide that in there. Oh no, I stepped on one. I'm dead. Those colors look good, do you think so? Yeah, I think the orange doesn't quite match the other ones, but I think it's okay. I think it'll be okay. For the game jam, you know, it'll be okay. At least you can tell them apart. Before it was a little hard. Get the oranges and yellows mixed up. Okay. Alright. We wanted to make it so when an infected block comes, it does that. Is that what we want to try? Instead of standing on one. If that's the case, then that's more tricky though. I think I like that idea, but to program it in, it might not be worth the squeeze. I need banjo. Banjo's gotta help me. Banjo Kazooie. Alright, so I think we're just gonna keep with this. And then I'm just gonna add an else here. Because this is the this makes it easy. You could just do it like this. Send a true. Or send a false. And then we'll just send the flag. And then here if it's true, so if flag, play this. Else, is there a way to go back to reset? I think you can stop. Maybe we stop it? Is that the right thing here? What? Maybe that's not a thing. Let's see what the mighty documentation tells me. Animation player. Let's see what documentation tells me. What can I do? Stop. Yeah, there is a stop. So why is this yelling at me? If flag, do this. Else, do this. Maybe it's just this. Okay, you don't tell it, you just say stop. Or maybe I just say play reset. I'm not really sure. Let's try what stop does. Let's try it. Oops. Oops. I can technically cheat. I can throw it out of bounds. It worked. I fell off. I'm waiting on my teammate. Joe, welcome. Yeah, I added that last night. I hurry and drew it. See, that doesn't blow up for some reason, and I don't know why. Because it doesn't happen all the time, it just happens very rarely. So there's some weird edge case that I don't know about. Oh well. Hopefully I can fix it before the deadline, but if not, at least for the most part, the game is playable. Do I have it that you can just drop it? No, I don't. It's too bad. I could implement it though, I think. Haha! See, we're good. If you're on it, it's going like this, and if you're off, it's done. That's probably the way it's gonna be. We'll just keep it easy. But yeah, the infected blocks, they will just spread. maybe he's okay if he holds it because he's technically not touching it. It's like a little, oh, there I go. I know, I had to make a game that was like Wario Woods because I love that game. Too bad I don't have time to flush this game out. I mean, I could after the game jam, but I'd rather, maybe I'll work on it here and there. But I've got some ideas for other stuff I gotta do. Okay, cool. We're good there. We got that. We don't need this because we solved the mystery there. I think what I might do though, can I do it though? Let me think about this. I want to make it so that if, I think I could. Yeah, let me see if I can add it so I can just drop a block. I've essentially already have it in this code on a throw signal. So if it doesn't clash, you throw it that way, but if it does, you do this. See if I can hurry and add this real quick. So if this is in player, no, it'll only work if it's overlapping us. I don't know if it is. How does it work in here? To throw something. Oh, because you're in the block. That's right, that's how that works. I mean, I could make another signal here. Signal to a signal. Because I could do if carry block, which means I'm carrying a block, and then I could emit another signal over to the block, which is essentially to drop it. We could do it. Let's just hurry and see if we can throw that in there. Doesn't hurt. On drop signal. If Basically do it like that, and then when we connect it here, we need to yeah, we basically need to connect it here to do just the same thing, but with the drop signal. Alright, I'm gonna see if that even works. Drop me. I'll just print out drop me if that works. I'm sure I forgot something, but no, it didn't break yet. Damn. Nah. It's not sending anything. Something's not working. So let's recheck that. So on pickup signal, what actually emits that? Right here. Oh, if not, carry block. So I made it if you're carrying a block, you couldn't you couldn't pick it up. But let's change that and make it so you can. But now we've got it so it won't now we've got it so that it will, if you're blocking, it does something different, so I think it'll be okay. Still nothing? What? Should work now. Did I not save it? That should work. Because if I hit down, it will emit the pickup signal, which will get caught by this. And if I'm carrying a block, it will emit the drop signal. Drop signal. It will emit that. And drop signal should be caught. Oh, that's why. Always something. Always something. Still nothing. You gotta be kidding me. Oh. how many times I gotta check this? Other. Throw signal. So other. Drop signal. Connect. On drop signal. We should be able to connect it. If not on player. Basically I want it to where how do I connect it to the block? I think that's the problem. It's not being connected when I want it to connect. Can I do it here? What do I do here? Oh, I connect it right here. Maybe I have to do it here instead. Oh, that's tricky. That is one big puzzle. Are you talking about all this code? It seems intimidating, but if you're the one who wrote it, you know where kind of everything is. But if you're looking in from the outside perspective, yeah, it's just a jumbled mess. It is tricky though. So basically what I'm trying to do is, it should work, I think. Oh, I have throw signal here again. Gosh dang it. That's what I get for copy and pasting. Stupid. It'll work now. Yep, there we go. Drop me. Drop me. Which you guys can't see because my camera's in the way of the debug messages. But it's working. I promise. Okay. So it's detecting this. So what we will do is, I have logic to where when you throw, if there's a block in the way, it just drops it instead. And so we'll do that same thing right here. Same thing. Seven-minute overtime. And you lost. That's rough. Okay, so this is just gonna drop it. Okay. I think that'll work. Let's try it. Doesn't hurt to try. It can only break. Nah. I'm stuck though. Help! It is working. I just have to hit the throw button to free myself. So there's something I need to fix. Let's see. You think it would fix it here because it's doing the same thing, right? There's nothing I missed in here. Because we set on player defaults. And then we disconnect from these and we set this to null. And so in here, where do we oh, on select. That's when it frees us. So if carry block, it throws it, sets this to false. So we've essentially just got to do this. Also, but do it over here. So to follow in this case is the player. So we need to set its carry block equals false, and I don't think it should technically be underscored if I'm not supposed to call it from other scripts, but oh well. This is a game jam. We don't need to code exactly correctly. There we go. Nice. Now we can just set blocks down. Just like that. Which is a lot more similar to, I don't know, I doubt it will clear it though if I do that. Yeah, it did, but then it left that up, which is interesting. Why would it stay there though? Let's look into that. I'm gonna turn on the collision paths. Let's see if we can figure out the problem here. This is gonna show us these little blue boxes, which mean there's a collision. It's kinda hard to tell what colors things are though. Basically gonna try to recreate that. I think those are both orange. So if I do, I need to have something that's like sitting here. So if I do that, no, that one worked just fine. What was the deal with the other one? Magically it was floating in the air. It's like there was no, it's like there was a collision block underneath it, but no block actually there. Maybe it's because blocks accidentally got combined. I have noticed sometimes you can like combine blocks. That's probably what happened. There's probably technically a block there, but you couldn't see it. I want to see, does this work too? Yeah, works. Okay. Cool. That's a good spot to be. Okay, I'm gonna hurry and push that to source control. So what did I do? Gotta remember what I did tonight. So I added the flash animation. I added drop block. What else? There's one thing I fixed at the very start, but I don't remember. Oh well. Yeah, come this Thursday night, at least Friday, you guys can try out this game because we'll have it on the website submitted. And I'm hoping we can just do a web version so you can just play it in the web browser. I assume it'll be able to export to web browser just fine. But I've never done this before, so I'm just guessing. Yeah, that's nice. You can just drop blocks. That's so much nicer. Quality of life. Before it was actually kind of hard. So yeah, you can't pick those up. Nice. It's actually in a pretty good playable form now. So I might just work on art assets for the rest of the night. You guys are down to watch that. The spread. It's too much. Save the block. We're gonna make it so you can't actually like fall out of the map too. The reason I haven't fixed that yet is because our tile map, so the background is, it's currently off 16 pixels, so it needs to be fixed, but when I try to fix it, I break like the whole game. So I'm hoping my teammate can fix it because he's the one who coded up that part. I mean, this essentially kind of serves the same thing, so when you get a lot of these, you know, you're basically, and we might make it so the play level, like where it ends is actually just right here, like the pit. So if you make it to that line, then game over, essentially. I think it would be cool to have like a health bar, so when I'm standing on these I'm getting hurt and then I die. That'd be kind of neat. But I just don't think we're gonna get there. Because that's a lot of logic to add. Okay, cool. That's in a good state. That's in a good state. So now let's just work on some art. I've got to basically make a walking animation and then a squatting when you grab stuff. I think it would be fun to hurry and do like a quick squatting. I don't know how to do like a 2-frame walk cycle though. And essentially it's just the legs spread and then they switch sides. I mean, really I kind of need 4 frames to make it like a good walk. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. I mean, I could kind of put the default in between and maybe it would look okay. We'll see. Oh yeah, I was supposed to do climb too, so he doesn't just float up. That's a lot of assets. A lot of things to draw. I don't really want to take that much time drawing stuff. We've got lots of things to do. Is what it is though. Okay, I'm going to move this music player up here. And then need to make room for my drawing tablet. Oh no, what happened? Hit some button. Don't want your help, Microsoft. No thank you. Gotta download my art. Because I did it on my laptop. Okay. Put on my art glove. Do I really not have Clip Studio here? Weird. Okay, sorry guys, I'm just getting Clip Studio up and going real quick. Probably needs to update itself. Yeah, it's doing some updates. I haven't ran it on this computer in a while. Guess I'll just play the game while we wait. So if there's new people coming in, they can see what we're cooking up. See, that didn't blow up. I don't get that. I don't get why it doesn't do that. Doesn't happen a lot. Just enough where it's annoying. But I'm not sure what bug is causing that. If I was to guess, there's a certain like chance where whatever check I'm doing to see if the blocks are landing, if it doesn't quite, it fails that check essentially. Or there's a weird case where it will fail that check, so it's not detecting if a block is landing. And so, because we used to have it so where at every like physics frame it would check all the neighbors and look for like three plus in a row blocks, but that was pretty inefficient. And eventually when you got too many blocks on screen, it would stop working altogether, so we wouldn't have time to finish the function before the next physics frame came around. So we had to change it so that it only checks for like color runs when a block lands. So it only checks the block that just landed, which is a lot more efficient instead of checking every block, but it does introduce some weird things that happen. Does introduce some odd behavior. Okay. We're good. Clip Studio is updated. Clip Studio paints. So I'm gonna switch what you guys see. Let's open up the art. Okay. We got our art. So I've got it into two things. So we've got normal and then we've got this one. So I essentially just made some adjustments. So now I need to take this and not change it too much. Basically I just need to move the leg forward a bit and the other one back, and the arms a little bit. Let's see, you walk. Yeah, I need just like a 2-frame walk. Maybe you can do it in 3 frames. Sorry, I'm just looking at some reference images. Yeah, the opposite arm goes up. Huh. Alright, we better get to work. Ooh. My screen just went weird. We're gonna copy that. And we're gonna paste and we're gonna call it walk 1. It's gonna be a pretty not a smooth animation, very choppy, but it'll do what it needs to do, I suppose. Okay. So we've got to I'm just not an animator, guys. I want to be someone who can animate stuff, but I do not have a lot of practice with this. Oh, we've got lock transparency. Okay. I was confused. Guess I don't really need the quick access panel because I've got the buttons on my tablet. So basically we've got to take this on. And bring it up here. Yeah, it's gonna be a very choppy animation, but I'm okay with that. Yeah, I am okay with that. Okay, we're gonna essentially move his arm like that ish. So we gotta fix like the backpack going there. And we cut off his buttocks. His buttocks. Yeah, you can essentially do something like that. Okay, that's one arm. Arm goes up, which means this leg is actually coming up. This is gonna look not good, guys. Oh well, we don't have we don't have the luxury for perfection here. Yeah, his leg's like messed up. Mm. I think it's okay. I mean, I don't like it, but it might be okay for the game jam as just a placeholder. Alright, that should be good. Good enough for our what we can achieve. Okay, in that case, got that there. We're gonna bring this back down. And then we've got the ink layer. Essentially gotta All right. There's the leg. Let's do the arm. Yeah, more or less is what we're after. Alright, almost done. Just gotta fix the yellow. Okay. Now let's paint her in. $10:47. We can finish these by midnight. That'll be great. Okay. One side of the walk done. Now we gotta raise the right hand and the left foot. Okay. One more time, peeps. And then technically I probably should make like climbing animations, but I honestly just might use the walk. I know it doesn't look very good, but that might be what I do. But maybe I could try to do 2 new ones. Okay. So in this one, I want to bring the left arm up We don't have too much to move it because we're like at the edge. I would just move it something like that. Roughly. Back would go down just like it was. And we'd basically just do that. So that's that arm, pretty easy. Now this leg will be weird. This is gonna be a weird one. I don't know, I'm not that great of a not too great of a drawer when it comes to like keeping things actually like, you know, the right proportions and all that good stuff. Not really my strength. Yeah, that just looks weird. It's too tucked in. Weird. Oops. Kind of like moving it this way, it's kind of fun. Should it be more like way out here? Just a weird angle. Like if we're at the side, like, cause we're kind of in the like. It's not like the profile. We're in between profile and front. Side profile and front profile. We're like in between. So it makes it kind of weird. Or I feel like you kind of need to do something like this. But then it just looks weird. You know what I mean? might, just be okay for what we need it for, which is just, getting an animation of some sort. This might be okay. Yeah, I mean, technically your back leg, I don't know. Let's just get this over with. And we got a weird, the foot's gonna be like, I feel like you'd actually see a little bit. You should see like a little of the bottom of the foot. Some weird foreshortened thingy. This might be the best we get though. Looks like he's sitting. It is not good, folks. Oh well. It may be the best we get. Yeah. Oh, it'd be better if I was using some reference images, but just kind of winging it. It'll be alright though. I'm very curious how this will look when it's animated. Probably pretty bad. But that's okay. What? Why is it looking all pixelated? It's like not very, oh, I know. That's why. There, that'll do. Looks like he's sitting. But you know what? We'll take it. It'll at least look like he's somewhat walking, moving, maybe. If we're lucky. Alright, let's clean up this guy. Turn off the pencil. We'll, yeah, we'll fix the highlights in a minute. To kind of just leech on. I don't know why that got so jacked up from the original. I'm sure I filled these in. It got all weird. I mean, luckily our guy gets shrunk down pretty good. So these little details don't matter too much. I'm hoping the animation also doesn't matter too much. You know, as long as he kinda looks like he's moving. Gets the least the point across. Shoot, I was on the wrong layer for that, wasn't I? Crap. Oh well. Alright, it's good for that. Oh, my back. Let's fix the yellows. my yellow booty. Okay, we got something. Indeed we do. Alright, let's see how this looks. See what we can do with this. So I'm gonna export these. I'll do save as. Okay. And I'll do the walk 1. Save as. Okay, I've got those. And I'm gonna resize them. Let's resize these bad boys. See, even like this, it's good enough, right? Not the best walk, but good enough. Okay, so we're going to export these guys, and I need a 128 sized. Player walk 1 at 128. And then player walk 2. Export. Do a 128 pixel. Player walk 2. 128. Okay. And then let me copy those over. Could bring my mic back up. We'll put these in the project folder. Okay, those are there. So now let's go to our player, go to the animation player. We'll make a new animation, we'll call it walk. And so on frame 1, our sprite, let's do a quick load. Frame 1 is gonna go to walk 1. Do it by 2.5. Can you define like the okay, at 0.5 we'll do the other one. So we'll do a quick load and do walk 2. Set that keyframe. Make it loop. He be walking. Now I wonder what happens if at 0.25. So right in between, what if we do just our player default and insert ourselves right there, and then at 0.75, same thing. .75. We just do the default. Let's give that a try, see if that looks any smoother. I don't know, it might look worse. Yeah, that one just looks like he's dancing. I mean, now we could slide these around though and move them closer together. Nah, I think we just keep it the 2 frame, to be honest. Like, it's not the greatest walk, but it gets the point across. Although I don't think we need it to be 1 second long. I think we can do just 0.5. I don't think it ever reaches that. That's weird. I was gonna speed it up though anyway, so. Maybe. That'll be good enough. Wonder if you can change like the curve of the animations. So, it doesn't matter. It's a 2-frame walk. This is as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so we've got a walk. So if we want that in the code, basically what we do is we're holding left or right. Yeah, I think we can just do animation player play walk. Animation player play walk. And then when it's released, we'll just go back to idle. We'll just do this. Let's try that. See if we're a walking boy. Yay, were you walking? Left and not. Technically, you need another walk for when you're holding. Looks like he's dancing. That's funny. So yeah, when you're so if not carrying block. Yeah, technically we would have a different animation for a carry walk. Essentially we would just which I could make. It wouldn't be too hard because I'd just cut off the top from the walk and then the one where he's just holding, so just take the legs. But yeah, it's not worth it. We'll just make it so he scoots when he carries. It'll be fine. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, didn't blow up there. There's the weird edge case that I don't know what's going on. See if I can fix it tomorrow. I don't think we need a climbing one. I think this will just be fine. I don't really feel like drawing the climbing animation, because that's going to be even more wonky with perspective, and just stay away from that. Joby won. Disco. That's a funny emote. I wonder, does it blow up if I'm holding it? I don't think it does. Trying to get it to where I could. Let me start at the first. I don't think it'll blow up in my hand. But let's try. Okay, green. Green. I just need another green to fall on me, please. There we go. Perfect. Nope. But if I set them down, they do. Not a big deal. Oh, that one didn't trigger. I have no idea why that's happening. Cool. Is there anything else I can do before I go to sleep? I don't think I'm gonna draw anymore. It'd be nice to have like a explosion when a block gets queued. Like, I mean, when a block gets destroyed, have a little blow up thing. But I don't know. I might just do a sound. Call it good. Put like the points. Alright. Maybe we can look at some sounds, adding some sounds in. Okay. Cool. Should I look at sounds? Let's see here. I think I've got some sounds that are free to use that I could use. Let's see. SFX. I bought a bunch of Ocular songs. Futuristic. Alarms and errors. You guys aren't gonna hear these on stream, but sorry, I'm just going through sounds on my computer, which you guys can't hear. Maybe I could make it so you could hear it though. Hold on one sec. media player. Let's see if I can add that. It's probably really loud though. Let me turn that down. Okay, I think you guys can hear what I'm messing with. Tell me if that's way too loud. Too loud? There, try this. It's probably too quiet. Maybe that. Oh, it wasn't too loud before, or now is it good? Okay, it wasn't too loud before. Is it too quiet now? Or is it okay still? So many alarms. Too quiet? Alright, I turned it up. Let me know how it is now. Crash, pop, boom. Perfect. That one might be okay, this one. For when you're on one. If I turn it down. I mean, and I don't know if I want an alarm to go off every time you step on a block, but maybe. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. And at least put it in the folder just to have it. Get some sounds into this bad boy. Okay. I think that's all I liked in there. Okay, that's for that. What else do we want? We want like maybe futuristic weapons for when they blow up. Oh, that's loud. A little loud there, Charlie. Bonk. Don't want machine guns. Whoa. That one's okay. Trying to find a sound for when the blocks blow up. Like maybe I'll add an explosion there. Or maybe a particle system could shoot particles out. I don't know how to use particle systems though. But that would be the easiest way, is just to do some particles. Some of these are so loud. I don't know if I loved any of those, but grenade one is okay. Not that one. Something like that. I need like a I need a sound for when it spreads, like the infection. It's squishy, squishy sound. You know what I mean? Like I could make my own, I guess. But when you're like gurgling spit in your mouth or something, you'd like that sound. Sort of. Chewing gum, perfect. No, it sounds like a crunch. Not quite what I want. Blockbuster. Explosions. Creepy. That could maybe work. Kinda weird. I'll copy it. Might work. Not exactly as bubbly as I want, but explosions, erosions. Oh, these could probably be loud. Need like a little baby explosion. Maybe? It's hard picking stuff, man. Tough. I hate sound design and I hate music. Those aren't my forte. Thor, thunder. Sound design, I hate you, sound design. I'm just gonna play this in the background so the stream's not as boring. Gotta hurry and find some sounds. Might have to do that later. Here, I got Fantasy World. Maybe I can find a good spreading sound in here. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. I played that every time it spreaded. Every time it spread. Kind of cool. Could maybe be used. I'm gonna play all of it. What else is in here? Same with the clicking. Watch this when I put this down, it's gonna glitch. Yeah, did some funky glitches there. Ooh, a good claw. It's so weird, I don't know what's going on there. Shoots me all the way up. Got some fun glitches. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed pretty darn soon. Check the horror section, see if I can get some for our spread. Metal to flesh. Oh, these are creepy. Creepy sounds. Scary clown laugh. Oh yeah, where's just like I don't know, man. Can't find anything that like fits it perfect. I don't know. Planet Earth. There you go. That's gotta have something. Planet Earth. Got rain. Blowing bubbles in a bathtub. Here, we might get close here, maybe. Could work. That sounds like someone going. Oh, it's them. Tweet. Getting closer. Bubbly sounds. I think we can get something in here at least. Maybe that one. You could just play different parts of it. Kind of rhythmic. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Okay, we've got a sound for that. We've got an alarm sound. Just need a sound for the when something blows up. Which nostalgia. I've got like retro gaming. Could just get like a game sound. Where were these the whole time? Could have just used that. It's kind of like a infection growing. Oh, let's just use a plop. I'm just gonna use a plop. Alright, we got something. Nah. Oh no! See, this would kill our player because we reached the top. Dead. Combo, combo, combo. Okay, is there a fast way to add sounds? For example, this one does the animation player. So, is there a sound? Media player. Audio stream player 2D. Is that what it is? Plays positional sound in 2D space. Probably what we want. Do the alarm. You can change the pitch stuff in here. That's kind of nice in the volume. It's neato. Okay, audio stream player 2D. So do I just go into here? And when we do this, is there a way to loop it? I'm totally guessing how to use this, by the way. Gotta start somewhere. Yeah, and that diagonal didn't work. Whoa. It like keeps doing it. It's working. It's just there's gotta be a way to check. I need to go to sleep. It's late. Plays audio. You can do playing, I guess. Play, and then you can do it from a certain position. So we'll do this. If not, audio player playing. So if it's not playing, we'll play. Try that. Let's give that a go. Combo. There we go. Cool. That's how that works. I assume you can change the stream if you, or you can make one per thing, I suppose. I'm gonna turn it down a little more. Maybe like that. I don't think you guys can hear the audio. I don't have it set up to where, maybe I could though, for you guys real quick. Properties. There, I think you might hear the game now. Yep. Cool. That was easy enough. For I guess it would be in Grid Manager for blowing up. It would handle, yeah. We'll name it audio stream player. Let's name it block delete sound, and then we'll add another one. I don't know if you add one per sound or if it's supposed to play different ones, but I don't know. Then a spread sound. So for this one, do a quick load. I think just the plop. Good enough. Can you like be nice if you can do a random pitch. I mean, I'm sure you can, because then it doesn't get as annoying. Say, you can change it just a little bit each time. I think that would be nice. So basically what we do here is we yeah, I think we can do a different thing. So after we delete it, then we do the block delete sound and we play. But before we do that, let's pitch scale, and we basically want a random float. Returns a random floating value between 0 and 1. Is there where I can set the range? Returns a random floating value between param from and param to. Okay, perfect. So I think, let's go into here. Check that out real quick. So we probably want 0.75 to 1.25 maybe? Does that sound too weird? No, I think that would be good. So we probably want 0.75 to 0 or to 1.25. Yeah, we'll just set a random range and then we'll play it. Let's try it. Okay, I think you guys will be able to hear this. I didn't hear anything. Yeah, I'm not hearing it. Nada. No sound. No sound. What's going on? Because block delete sound is the block delete sound, which is right here. And it's got a thing. And that's how we played it over here, didn't we? Just play, yeah. Play. So why isn't that working? Because this is where we're destroying blocks. Because this will delete all 3 of them. And then I want to play these sounds. I don't know why those aren't playing. Is the pitch screwing us up here? Maybe it's not pitch scale. No, it is pitch scale. Why don't you play? Play sound. Yeah, I don't even get that thing to show up. Why doesn't it do runs of 4 anymore? So many bugs. Isn't it? That's the only spot I delete them. I'm pretty sure. Oh shoot, I have 2 of these. I forgot I've got that there. Well, we found the problem. It's always good. Now it'll work. And I don't even need this. I'm positive it'll work now. Alright, I'm almost done, guys. I'm gonna end this stream pretty darn quick. Because I'm gonna hate myself tomorrow. Oh, pitch scale. Non-existent function. Pitch scale. Function? It's a variable, isn't it? Should be a variable. Yeah, property. Oh, duh. Because I'm trying to use it like a function. That's why it doesn't like it. Like that, dude. Equals. Alright. Now we can test it. Maybe. Okay, did you guys hear that? Yep. Looks like it's on stream too. For some reason that doesn't work. See, I think it's just missing the detection for that the block fell, because if you rethrow it, it deletes those blocks. Or not. So weird. Something goofy's going on. Doesn't like middle ones. But sometimes it does. Because I'm pretty sure I've done that before. Those seem to be the troublemakers. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna do just the spreading sound and I'm done for today. Okay, I think just this mud one was good. You speed it up. I don't see like a speed. It's too bad. Oh, maybe you can. Yeah, you can loop it. I got like 2 that sounded good. Okay, we'll do it at so it'll attenuate between 2 and yeah. Spread sound, so that's also going to be done in the grid manager. So very similar. Spread sound. We'll do a spread sound. And so for that, we're gonna go down to the manage spread function, which goes into here. Current block spreading equals true. Let's see, where do we actually infect a neighbor here? Right here. So I think this means we infected somebody. So spread sound. Oh. We'll do a play, and then we'll also do the pitch. Give it a range of 1.75 and 2.25. Let's try that. See if it spreads. Ooh, nice. Oh no, I got rid of our infection. That one's gonna go away too. This one will spread though. I like that, that's cool. Yeah, see the problem, I just don't know how we're gonna define like our game over. Because technically in a game like this you get game over when the blocks reach the ceiling. Which we could lower the ceiling, no problem. And maybe we do that. But when you get like this, like that alarm is gonna kinda be annoying. Which I could turn it down some more. Yeah, I'll probably turn it down a little bit. Man, adding the sounds really does help. Brightens up the game. Oh no. Yeah, it doesn't do 4 anymore. which is very weird. Yeah, and these middle ones, I did not know why it doesn't like middle ones. There's some glitches to figure out, but I like this. It's in a good spot. Okay, I'm gonna turn down the alarm again. It's just a little oppressive. I think it would be really fun to do the health thing that I was talking about. That would make you like die faster. Make the game a little more complicated. But maybe I'll do that in the future. Once it starts to spread, man, this is annoying to deal with. Annoying. Just kind of the point of the game, I suppose. Alright, cool. Neato. I'm gonna go to bed. But first, I'm gonna push my changes. Alright, there's that. We're good to go. Okay, we've got basically one more full night. Two more nights. We got tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and then Thursday we're gonna try to finish at by midnight, because it's due at 7 a.m. the next morning. For my time anyway. So yeah, made good progress today. Thanks for the follows today from Del Morgan, Running Buck. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time.